I'm in heaven. This is just stunning. Where am I? I mean, that's Pontepiad, that's there. You've got Porto de Mós beach on the cove here, and you can walk along this cliff top here and go right across to Praia de Luz. This is a stunning location. The sea today is just amazing. The beach, this is where you can have your summer holiday or winter holiday, because the Algarve has an all-round climate. It's a great place. And today I'm going to be showing you two properties. One is literally, I would say 3 minutes, but I might be exaggerating. I would say it's 2 minutes from where I am standing now. And that's a 2-minute walk. It's right next to Porto de Mós beach, which might be 3 minutes, okay? And I'm showing you another property in the old town of Lagos, near the marina. Two properties that are stunning, and they offer you something you will take back with memories. So welcome to Ideal Homes Rentals, here where we show you properties all across the Algarve for your summer or winter vacation. Well, here we are. Let me take you inside and show you around. 3 minutes and you're in Porto de Mós beach. I've just come up from Porto de Mós beach. So if you want a beachside apartment, this is pretty close. You've got a lovely, what I've got to say, the air conditioning's on and it's lovely and cool in here. It's 34 degrees outside today and it's June. This is really cool and pleasant. Look at the size of this room. You've got a dining room here, your lounge all open plan. This also converts into a bed, so you've got a double bed there. You've got a balcony outside we'll take you out to, but that's got a table and chairs, a sink and a built-in barbecue. And look at that, decent sized TV, so you can sit there and watch your television. So that's your lounge and your dining area. The kitchen is fully fitted. It's got a cherry wood feel. So when I say fully fitted, you've got your electric ceramic hob, the oven. I mean, the oven, I think that was new, but it's not new, but I want to hire the cleaner. The cleaner does a great job. So if you want to cook something up here, you've got everything, granite worktops, you've got lovely views over the communal pool of the next development over there, and it's a good size. And you've even got, look at this, you've got a dining table, so you can sit here if it's too hot outside and have your breakfast. Orange juice. Oh. Excuse me, but you can't beat fresh orange juice, especially Portuguese oranges are lovely. And croissants. You're spoiling me here. Let's get my job done, shall I? So, lovely lounge, lovely dining room. Let me take you into this house bathroom. The house bathroom has got a full-size bath, but it's also a jacuzzi, so you've got your jets. Lovely sink, bidet behind the door and the toilet there. And the shower is over the bath. This is your guest bedroom. They fitted it here with single beds, as I always say about rentals. If you don't need the single beds, you can push them together and make a king-size bed. You've got 3 banks of wardrobes there, sliding doors, so you've got storage in there to put the suitcases, air conditioning up there, and then you come back into, this will be your master bedroom. Lovely, beautiful wardrobes, silence closing as well. A good size, and this bedroom has the benefit of a balcony that runs along to the lounge that side as well. And also you've got your ensuite to this one. And the ensuite has got lovely blue azure tiles, lovely new shower tray, cubicle. It's beautiful. Let me take you outside and just show you the balcony and the barbecue there. And then we'll take you down to the pool area, because this apartment does have a pool. And it's only a small condominium, but it's really pretty and very nice. So let's go outside and show you more. What a beautiful balcony. And, well, I'm sorry. It's rude of me, really, isn't it? But, you know, when in Portugal, when it's warm, sometimes a good cold beer hits a spot, and you cannot beat Sagres. Oh, that is nectar. Look at this. You've got partial sea view. Let me explain also. Just here, you've got a French restaurant I've never been to, but I'm informed by Nico, our cameraman, who lives very close to this, says it's special. You need to go there. If you rent this apartment, little French restaurant here, a minute away. But it's a quiet area. You've got plenty of off-street parking. You've got lots to do. The beaches have got 2 lovely restaurants on. If you like hiking, you can go over the hills here to Praia de Luz. And look at this. Lovely new barbecue. You've even got a sink to wash up there and prepare your food. This is a great property, but I haven't quite finished yet. Apart from finishing this, I want to take you downstairs and show you the lovely pool area. It's really great, and it's south-facing like this balcony. So, cheers. I'll see you downstairs. Well, I did promise you outside space to show you the pool area. It's got its own little jacuzzi there. It's a lovely pool. It's a very small condominium. It's got everything. It's a lovely apartment. It's right by the beach, 3 minutes away, down to Porto de Mós beach. You've got great restaurants there. You can pop into the old town of Algarve, which is 5 minutes by car. It offers everything. Check it out on idealhomesrentals.com. Put in your dates and they will tell you what dates are available and the prices, etc., etc. If you want to drop me an email, john@idealhomesrentals.com, you can do that. And one last thing, don't forget to subscribe. But also, Nico, our cameraman, said, I prefer Superboc. I said, I prefer Sagres. So let's see. Leave your comments below. What do you prefer in Portugal, Superboc or Sagres? Until next time, I'm going to have a drink and I'll see you soon. Welcome to the second property I'm going to be showing you today. This is in Lagos town centre. We're about 5 minutes away from where we've just been at Porto de Mós. So it's a great location, and if you want something in town, this is great. It's in the centre of town, a 5-minute walk to the marina. But what I like about the position of this is it's on a cul-de-sac. So you've got no passing traffic. Outside it's quiet, so that's a bonus. But it's spacious as well, and it's got 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. Obviously the bedrooms are down that end, but this is the lovely area here because this is your lounge and dining room. And bless Pascal, she's dressed the table with cakes and breakfast and jams and very nice. No alcohol. Well, she's trying to tell me something, I think. So this is your lounge area, and this unit is on the corner. It's on the end. There's ample parking outside if you want to park your car there, but remember it's a cul-de-sac, so it's very peaceful. This balcony wraps all the way around, both sides. You've got patio doors there, patio doors here. So you've got access out onto it, but you've also got from the kitchen, which is ultra modern, this kitchen, a patio door here, and that will take you out there. You've got a barbecue outside, you've got your oven, your microwave, everything you want. This really is a great apartment, but what makes it even special, it's got a rooftop swimming pool. How about that? We'll take you up there and show you that in a moment. But imagine it, swimming up there on top and looking out over the marina. I've shown you the lounge, the dining room and the kitchen. Let's go and take you over to the bedrooms and show you those in the bathrooms. Let me take you down to the bedrooms, which is at the furthest end of the apartment, which is quite good actually, because if you want to go to bed at night and leave someone watching TV, you're not disturbing them and they're not disturbing you. I do like that picture. Also, underfloor heating. If you want to rent this in the summer, you've got your air conditioning, obviously, but in the winter, maybe you want to rent this for 4 to 6 weeks, contact the team at the office. Underfloor heating allows you all through to have heating in the winter. The Algarve may get a little bit chilly, but it's not that bad. You've got a bathroom there that's got a shower and a toilet and a sink in there. That's one of the bathrooms. Let me take you into the first bedroom. The first bedroom has got access onto the outside balcony, so that's great. You've got 2 single beds in here, but you can separate them if you want to. If you've got 2 single children, this is perfect. This bedroom does have an ensuite as well. So you've got nice size bathroom here. You've got a shower, your toilet and sink behind. Air conditioning on the walls. Every room's got air conditioning, so that is hot or cold. You come back down the corridor. That's your front door there. And remember what I said, apart from that bedroom, these other 2 bedrooms are away from the living area. Let's take you into this one, which I would say is equal size to the first bedroom I just showed you. You've got, again, plenty of wardrobe space. You've got your vanity mirror there for putting your makeup on. And then you've got your air conditioning above. But this bedroom is the master bedroom. This is one you're going to have to fight over, because look at the size of it. It's enormous, absolutely humongously big. So you've got a massive bed in here, air conditioning, mirror, sliding wardrobes. And if this wasn't big enough for you, guess what? You've got a beautiful ensuite. And the ensuite has got so much space. It's got a full-size bath, a shower, and a toilet in here, and the sink. So this is a great apartment. I'm going to take you out and show you the balcony at the moment now. But remember, got the rooftop swimming pool. I'm going to take you up there and show you that pool. We leave the kitchen behind us and come out to our outside space. And it's a great outside space. You've got your barbecue, you've got a couple of bean bags there. Even catches the sun. Little corner table and a couple of chairs there. You've got your dining table here, glass of wine ready to go, pistachio nuts. And look at the space you've got. This is humongous. It's a massive outside space. And when I said earlier, it is so peaceful. This is a dead-end road. There's cars parked there. There's plenty of parking spaces, so you haven't got to worry about noise. A corner balcony with all this space, a 3-bedroom apartment, a 5-minute walk into the main town, into the marina and the old town. And I'm going to take you now to the Piste de la Resistance, and I'm going to take you to the swimming pool, which is on the roof. So join me upstairs. Well, I did promise you the rooftop pool, and look at this. This is the Piste de la Resistance. You've got the views of the marina just there. You've got the Montchique Mountains in the distance. You've got the Maya Praia Beach through there, and you've got the twinkling lights all around you in the evening. This is what I call having a holiday and getting the best of everything. Ideal Homes Rentals. All our properties are high-end, and also you'll find they're in great locations. If you want to check this particular property out, it's in the central of Lagos. Check it out on our website. You can actually put your dates in, and the prices will come up accordingly. And you can rent it for the summer, you can even rent it for the winter. And if you've got longer term rentals, if you want to do 4 weeks or 6 weeks, check with the team. The phone number will come up. They work 6 days a week. Well, actually 7 days a week. They work from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. You can give them a call, you can drop me an email, join our Ideal Homes Rentals. I can help you out either way. One thing extra, Ideal Homes Portugal is a one-stop property shop, not just rentals, but we do property sales all across the Algarve. If you're looking for a holiday home, somewhere to relocate, we can look after you. We will find you those properties. And the other thing, we have our own mortgage department. Interest rates are high at the moment, but here we deal with the banks direct and we get really, really good interest rates. So check us out. We have after sales, we have rentals, the one-stop property shop. If you haven't pressed like, please press like. I hope you enjoy these videos. But one of the things I always ask is, please subscribe. That way you get notifications of all the latest videos we're doing and you're up to date with everything. And remember the racetrack. If you want to buy a holiday home and an investment, check out the racetrack on idealhomesportugal.com. I look forward to seeing you next week with 2 more properties you can rent in the Algarve. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye for now.